Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Rosemary Beach, Florida. As the drive unfolds, let's explore the rich history and unique character of this charming coastal community. Rosemary Beach is a planned community situated along Florida's Gulf Coast, specifically on County Road 30A in Walton County. Established in 1995 by Patrick D. Bienvenu, the town was designed by the architectural firm Duany Plater Zyberg & Company. The design draws inspiration from the French Quarter in New Orleans, as well as European colonial influences from the West Indies and Caribbean. This blend results in a distinctive architectural style characterized by high ceilings, steep roofs, and spacious porches that capture the coastal breezes. The name, Rosemary Beach, is believed to honor Rosemary Milligan, a realtor and entrepreneur who settled in the area in 1974 and owned much of the land before selling it to developers. The town is designed to be pedestrian-friendly, with interconnected streets, boardwalks, and green spaces that encourage walking and cycling. Rosemary Beach is also known for its commitment to sustainability and environmental preservation. The community has implemented measures to protect the natural dunes and beach areas, ensuring that development harmonizes with the surrounding environment. As the drive continues, you'll notice the blend of architectural elegance, natural beauty, and community spirit that defines Rosemary Beach, making it a unique and inviting destination along Florida's Gulf Coast.